RoSS.FILL CGT, automated aseptic filling for cell and gene therapies. Applicable for filling up to 36 single-use bags, ranging from 10 milliliters up to 1 liter. Highest filling accuracy and speed. The ideal solution for a wide range of therapy applications. Optimize your process with parallel or sequential filling and sealing of your bioprocess container. An integrated label printer ensures full data integrity of each bag. The advanced pinch valves provide an easy and aseptic disconnection without the risk of leakage. Protected by RoSS cassette, the product is safe and ready for the freezing process. Unprecedented automated filling. RoSS.FILL CGT.